How big?
This is the small one. The big one is on the Vodno. Yeah.
The Vodno. Bigger than this?
This is made for unfortunately political and religious reason, because this tree, it have to be 4 buildings with 40 floors, are made with Turkish investor and with big possibilities to bring Muslims on that territory